Welcome back to our home and my kitchen. I'm sharing a lovely grocery haul with you guys today, some veggie prep and just getting things done around the kitchen and the house here. We are going to be cleaning and tidying up, so I hope that you can put me up on your device and just get motivated to clean along with me today.
Crowns packed, but I'm alright. Gonna let myself let go. I didn't live up to his standards, but he didn't come close to mine. I was too much for him to handle. Yeah, right. I wasn't his kind of...
So here is a very quick overview of what we got from the grocery store. I ended up getting the girls some of this regular bread. I do eat the promise bread myself. This is the best gluten-free bread I can find on the market. We needed some more eggs stat, so I ended up getting a case of eggs. I got some Annie's mac and cheese. This was there and on sale. They don't normally have the 10 packs. I usually buy it from Costco, but the girls prefer the white over the orange, and the Costco one comes with like both the white and the orange. So finding this, and it was on sale, had to snag it. Rotisserie chicken, it's a must on every grocery shop day. Then I ended up getting some of these Annie's. These are new, I guess. I've never seen these ones. Maybe they're not new. I don't know. Let me know if you've seen these before. But I've been starting to stock up on school snacks as, yeah, they were on sale, and why not? Like, they don't expire until October 2023 and February 2024. Also got some cheese strings for school coming up here. I know, maybe I'm like too crazy for thinking about back to school, but one thing I am not a minimalist in is food and food storage. If you saw my last video, you would see that. Next, I got my husband his favorite creamer, the girls some milk, just some lettuce. I got these baby potatoes. We were recently at a friend's pool party, and they had these little baby potatoes cut in half, just roasted in the oven. Normally my kids do not like white potatoes, but they loved them. Unless they're like cut into french fries. So I bought some of those to make at home because they're so easy to do. Some veggies, I don't know, there's beans, carrots, what is that, cucumber? I can't even think, holy cats. Corn, broccoli, some berries, that sort of thing. Yeah, just a bunch of fruits and veggies. I got my favorite coconut milk. My eczema is flaring up, which I'm not surprised about here in the summers. I've been eating a lot more gluten, and so I'm going back. I'm going to be fasting again, first of all, and second of all, I'm going to be going back to gluten and mostly dairy-free. This chicken breast I got so that we could make some homemade subs, which is what this bread is for the girls. And yeah, so I got these. There's no nitrates or anything in them. The ingredients look really good in terms of like packaged meat. Cheese was on sale, so I grabbed a bunch of that. I've been craving hash browns, so I'm actually gonna make myself, it's almost noon, but I have not eaten yet. So I'm going to make myself some bacon, eggs, and hash browns. I got some more limes for my Caesars because I needed them. The girls' probiotics. We've been using these for a really, really long time. And then over in this bag here, I just have our meat. I do buy it in bulk, and it was $20 and $21 for 5 chicken breasts, which is a pretty good deal. Bacon was on sale for $7, which is $8 off. So yeah, got one of those. That's all they had left. So I snagged it up, and that is our grocery haul. Oh, I forgot about this bag over here that I did because it goes downstairs, so I just kind of put it by the stairs. These kettle chips are my favorite. So the sea salt is great if you are having dip, and we do have some leftover dip from when I bought them for camping. This Nature's Path cereal is gluten-free, as you can see, which is why I get it. So it's very expensive, not gonna lie, but the odd time that I want a little bowl of cereal or need a little pick-me-up, I do like the crunchy maple one, so I thought I would try the crunchy cinnamon one. I can't get a hold of these. But the Annie's bunnies, I got chocolate and vanilla for the girls' school again, and 2 of my Elmhurst milked oats. I need to learn how to make this myself because it's getting really expensive. Receipt here, grand total, $376.77. Okay, so I mentioned for the girls, I'm gonna make them homemade subs. That's not gonna be today. Today I am making them chicken quesadillas, as we have some leftover chicken that I wanted to use on those, and we have a ton of wraps. So the subs will be another day, but I just want to give you a little lunch idea. And I am going to make my own homemade sourdough starter. I'm super nervous about that, but I want to learn how to do sourdough everything. So I want to learn how to do their bread. You can make like cinnamon buns and stuff like that. And so I'm making my sourdough starter gluten-free so that I can still eat everything. And I also want to try a homemade gluten-free bread recipe at some point. I don't know if I mentioned that on here or not. It's something I've been wanting to do, but it's been like 2 weeks since I mentioned it and I have not done it yet. Bought all the ingredients on my last grocery haul. So I have yeast, I already have gluten-free flour, and then it's water. So it's like super easy for bread. And then the sourdough starter I plan on sharing here, so stay tuned for that as well. It's quite the process, so it won't be in this video, but stay tuned. And yeah, let's get these groceries put away, and then brunch made for me and lunch for the girls. We also got this for free for spending so much money, which, like, let's be real, we probably will not be eating these. So I took them out of the big box and put the little boxes into our freezer, as they obviously need to be frozen. And I didn't want them to thaw, but I will probably be taking these to Gigi's house to share with all of her other cousins who will eat them, unlike us. I might keep some of them, depending. I haven't looked at the ingredients of them all, but yeah, I always try to be very mindful. And I just made some homemade watermelon lime popsicles for the girls. So I also plan on taking a pack of these over there as well for our kids. My freezer is not organized. Okay, using some editing magic, let's go ahead and get this stuff put away.
So he can't mind his own. I'm blessed like that, 'cause I feel good in my skin. I don't need a man to tell me I'm the shit. Thank God that it's over, 'cause all I need to be is my kind of a woman. My kind of a woman. Friday night, center of the crowd, I'm forgetting how we did me wrong. Shooting jack with my ladies, flirting with strangers, baby, I'm on fire now. Didn't live up to his standards, but he didn't come close to mine. I was too much for him to handle. Yeah, right. I wasn't his kind of a woman. Didn't fit into his mold, but I don't need his approval, so he can't mind his own. I'm blessed like that, 'cause I feel good in my skin. I don't need a man to tell me I'm the shit. Thank God that it's over, 'cause all I need to be is my kind of a woman. My kind of a woman.
So I am just using my Enyo kitchen cloth to wipe all of my counters. I wanted to show you a close-up to let you know how much this cloth picks up. I love using my Enyo products. I have been using them for a really long time now. I recommend them in almost every single video. So if you are looking for a non-toxic cleaning option, I do highly recommend Enyo. It is a little bit of an investment upfront, but it's totally worth it, because unlike most cleaners that clean surface level, this actually cleans pore deep. And so it is a little bit of a learning curve when you first get started with it, but you will be so impressed after you get the hang of it. Instead of being made in China, it is actually made in the head of the textile industry in Austria, which is pretty exciting. And yeah, I absolutely love it. Let me know down below if you have heard of Enyo before, or what you use for your cleaning products.
Feeling free, like a roller coaster. Why I'm single with such a pretty face. Where is your man? You should go out and chase him. Now I'm so tired.
With my Enyo, they do come with Enyo fills, but I do prefer for the kitchen my Bloom towels. I do actually have a coupon code with Bloom. It is Brienne. I think I will have that linked on the screen here as well as down below in the description. You can just click the link if you are interested, but they are very versatile cloths. They are beautiful, double-sided microfiber cleaning cloths, and they hold like I think 7 times their weight in liquids. And so when I am cleaning, you do have to dry behind when you're cleaning with Enyo. And so I do love using the Bloom towels in the kitchen rather than the Enyo fill. Now, I'm also using Enyo to mop, as you can see here. And then we are going to move into the dining room as well. Now, I will say I've been using off camera a rainbow vacuum as I'm filming this voiceover, which is really exciting. So let me know down below if you have heard of rainbow vacuums, what your honest thoughts about them are, and yeah, I would love to know. And I will be sharing a video all about the rainbow vacuum to kind of share with you guys my thoughts and that sort of thing. So stay tuned for that.
Never got it, why'd you have to go? I guess this world's too slow for you. I think there's beauty in the gray, the cold, but you just want the gold. And there's no way I can beat it, cause I got no chance when it comes to her. She got the glitter and the fame, and I just wasn't enough for you.
As you can see, we've moved into the dining room and got it all picked up. We just have to do some mopping in here. But I truly feel like when the house is mopped and the kitchen is cleaned, it just feels so good to have that done. Like there's just nothing better. And especially with our house, like the kitchen and dining, it's not fully open, but it is kind of open a little bit, but then our dining and our living area is completely wide open. And so when I have this main space cleaned and tidied, it just makes me feel so good. And so you will notice when I am cleaning and tidying here, I do focus on this area as it makes a world of a difference. And then I had a laundry basket with some clothes that need to be folded. So we just did a little bit of editing magic to get that done. And now the entire main space is clean. So I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. I'm going to end it here. Let me know down below what you are doing today. And I hope you get some time to relax and enjoy yourself in a nice, clean, and tidy space. We'll see you next time. Bye.